just happened to notice this going on outside. Whoops! Oh my gosh. Trying to move my arms so that it'd be a little bit more comfortable. But look, it's a little mama bird. Feeding little baby birds out there. Making a bunch of noise. Look at that one go. It's like, I'm fat. I need more than that. He is also the hip-hop rhymester of the group. I don't know where she went now. She's like, feed yourselves. I may be your mama, but I'm not McDonald's. Whoa. That fat one's angry. I was worried if I got over there too close, you wouldn't be able to... I'd scare him off. And it's not going to focus, even though I'm in that close. Good lord, that one is... it's taking all the food. Is it weird that it kind of looks like she's making out with him? It's not weird to me. Where'd the other one go? Didn't she? I think she had 3 of them. Where's my... Well, now that I know there are baby birds out there, I'll need to get some more food in the feeder. Even though there's plenty of it on the ground. Obviously. Whoa. I don't even know what kind of bird that was. It's just like, hi, how's it going? One for herself, of course. Zoom. It's like, hey, where'd you go? She'll be back. Don't worry. Whoa. Well, there went the other one. So that one's all alone, eating by himself. Oh, there's a blue jay's nest. Thank you, blue jay. Whoop. Return appearance. Oh. I guess they're taking over now.